Pati yung sinasabi nilang pag merong mag-trespass doon sa tubig sa territory natin, i-detain nila. Sobra ng palala itong ginagawang pambubuli sa atin itong Chinese Coast Guard, and that is a reason to be alarmed. Actually, pinatawag pa nga ng Malacanang or DFA yung Chinese ambassador, but still, they keep on bullying us. Every day, may nababasa lang tayo sa pahayagan, sa narinig natin sa radyo na nag-water cannon na naman, ganun-ganun. Kung ano-ano mga ginagawa nito mga pagbubuli nito mga inchik na ito. I've met the president. In fact, I was with him when we paid a courtesy visit to the president of Singapore, the newly minted Prime Minister of Singapore, and the former Prime Minister of Singapore.
Ano po yung mga napag-usapan ninyo bilang bagong Senate President pro tempore? Meron ba mga hindi din sa inyo si President?
Wala. After his speech that evening on Friday evening, he intimated to me that there are a lot of bills that has to be passed, and ang sabi niya sa akin, ililista lang doon niya yung mga priority bills that should merit the attention of the Senate.
About defense or national security matters?
Mostly economic. Mostly economic.
So, may mababanggit ka, sir, ng mga... How about the Chacha?
Well, hindi namin napag-usapan Chacha.
Okay. Anyway, may mga recent incident ho sa West Philippines, sir. Yung, based on the report, yung China Coast Guard seized food and other provisions for the soldiers posted at BRP Sierra Madre. And then, aside from that, hinaras din po yung nagsasagawa na evacuation operation for soldiers sa Ayungin na sinasabing may sakit. So, sir, inhuman ba? Ano masasabi dito sa nangyari, recent incident sa West Philippine Sea involving China Coast Guard?
For me, that is totally unacceptable. At what we have to do again and again is to file diplomatic protests. Kasi pag hindi tayo mag-file ng diplomatic protest, baka sabihin nila pinababayaan natin yung ating mga kababayan. Well, for me, I've already stated during my press release that is an affront to humanity, a callous act that must be met with the utmost condemnation, not only by our government, but the international community as well. And as I call upon our government to continue asserting our sovereignty and safeguard the welfare of our soldiers stationed at the Ayungin Shoal, I urge our international allies to stand with the Philippines in condemning in the strongest terms the recent actions of the China Coast Guard in the West Philippine Sea.
So sa tingin niyo ba, lumalala yung mga ginagawa nilang pangaharas dyan sa West Philippines?
Sobra ng palala itong ginagawang pambubuli sa atin itong Chinese Coast Guard, and that is a reason to be alarmed.
Ay, yung pagpa-file ba ng diplomatic protest, sir? May magagawa pa ba yan? Parang ang dami na nating na-file na diplomatic protest.
I think we have already filed ilan na ba? Mga 300 to 600 diplomatic protests. And pakiramdam ko walang nangyayari, but still that is our only option to file a diplomatic protest. Well, hindi naman natin pwedeng girahin yung mga yan, di ba?
Pero yung dialogue or mga diplomatic,
We had a lot of dialogues already. Actually, pinatawag pa nga ng Malacanang or DFA yung Chinese ambassador, but still, they keep on bullying us. Every day, may nababasa lang tayo sa pahayagan, sa narinig natin sa radyo na nag-water cannon na naman, ganun-ganun. Kung ano-ano mga ginagawa nito mga pagbubuli nito mga inchik na ito.
Sir, doon pa rin yata sa Singapore, doon sa, ano ba yun, Shangri-La?
International Institute for Strategic Studies.
Yung defense minister ng China, inacknowledge nila yung importance ng newly renewed military-to-military communications with US as tensions escalates dito daw sa Asia Pacific. Pero, inakusahan din nila ang Washington of causing the friction with its support dito daw sa Taiwan at sa Pilipinas. Do you think so, sir?
No, I don't think so. I totally disagree with the statement made by this Chinese official or Chinese general. Dahil yung siguro yung sinasabi nila yung mga balikatan exercises na nangyayari dito sa atin, no? We are not preparing for war. Okay? Actually, I was there present nung doon sa Campo Aguinaldo nung pinakita nung mga Amerikano kung paano nila protektahan yung ating territory, no? I was there together with the president. Talagang napaka-sophisticated ng kanilang mga equipments. Nakakaingit nga dahil yung kung iko-compare natin yung mga gamit natin as compared to the equipments and ships of Chinese tsaka America, talaga malayo tayo.
Any related question about West Philippine Sea? Marlon?
Sir, the speech of the President during the Shangri-La Dialogue, even his answers during the Q&A were praised by several defense analysts and even our Justice Arpio. Sabi niya maganda yung paliwanag ng Presidente regarding our defense, the WPS, and our territorial waters. Do you think after the Shangri-La Dialogue, mas magiging intense yung gagawing hostile activities ng China sa...
That has to be seen, no? Alam mo, yung speech ni Presidente, I was there, I was present, I was listening to his almost an hour speech, and he covered everything. Even the 3 questions that were propounded to him, he answered it very well, no? He was not combative, kasi meron isang Chinese official, a Chinese general na nagtanong, siyempre medyo palaban yung tanong, the President answered it calmly, no? Hindi siya combative. At dun sa isa nagtanong, I forgot who asked that question. Direct question, to the President. Kung sakasakaling may namatay na Pilipino, gawa ng water cannon, is it an act of war? Maganda yung sinagot ni Presidente. If it is a willful act by the Chinese Coast Guard, then it might be close to war. Pero hindi naman niya sinasabi, gera na tayo. Wala siyang sinasabi gano'n.
Sir, ano pa kaya pwedeng gawin? Kasi ibang mga kasamahan nyo are saying that the Philippine government should consider filing another case against China, possibly before it laws rather the UN tribunals.
Well, that is also an option. And I am willing to support if there is such move.
Will it further escalate the tension between the 2 countries?
Well, wala naman tayong magagawa. That is only our option left. That might be only our option left, no? To file another case against China.
And do you think, sir, marami na nga yung basis para mag-file ng panibagong
Yes,
kaso against China?
Yes. Marami pa rin mga katulad nga yung binabasa natin araw-araw sa mga pahayagan. Araw-araw binubuli tayo kung ano-ano narinig natin. Kawawa rin na yung ating mga sundalo. Pati yung sinasabi nilang pag merong mag-trespass doon sa tubig sa territory natin, i-detain nila. Sorry. Hindi naman hindi naman hindi naman yata tama yun, di ba? Cut.
Sir, naniniwala ka ba na kaya ganun ka interesado ang China dun sa ating territorial water Dahil maraming pwedeng mapakinabangan.
Oh, syempre. Hindi naman lang ang ninyo kung wala silang mapapakinabangan dun sa pagmamayari ng Pilipinas, di ba?
Pero ang problema ba natin, wala tayong capability para i-explore yung kung anumang wealth meron doon.
Unfortunately,
Oil.
wala. Well, siguro pwede mag-usap, pwede sigurong
Para sa joint exploration.
joint exploration, pwedeng siguro 70% sa atin o 80%. Basta pabor sa Pilipinas. Huwag lang naman pabor sa kanila. Dahil talo na nga sila, makikihati pa sila sa atin. Di ba?
Okay, no more question about NIMFA? About West Philippine Sea? Wala.
Sorry, paki-edit na lang.